A domestic dispute ending with a fatality last night at a couple's home, South Townville Street, Seneca. Coney County Coroner Carl Addis identifying the man as John Bright, the victim, a 25-year-old who was struck by a pickup north of South Townville Street after being hit near his driveway on South 7th, then on to South Fairplay Street, later dying from multiple injuries. It's under investigation by Seneca Police and the South Carolina Highway Patrol. It was his wife, Taylor Louise Bright, a 22-year-old, that said she and her husband were at home when a domestic incident occurred. She had left the home driving the truck with her daughter inside when she left her husband outside of the truck. She says after turning the vehicle into South Fairplay, she noticed the truck wasn't working correctly, so she stopped the truck and said that's when she found him underneath the vehicle. The suspect hit her husband with the front of her vehicle, a 2005 Dodge Ram, and he became trapped underneath the vehicle, the warrant indicating she had reportedly drug him 1,600 feet. A field sobriety test conducted on the suspect, who had consumed 4 beers at a friend's house smelling of alcohol. She's facing reckless vehicular homicide and felony driving under influence. Taylor Bright taken to the Oconee County Detention Center. That's The Answer on News. Craig D. Bolts, 94.5 WGTK. The Answer Town Hall commentary and more with Sean Hannity as Representative Mark Meadows joins Sean next on 94.5 WGTK. The Answer. Now you're